This Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate Central Property video is presented by Angela Mayfield. Brick ranch home with everything you need on the main level except laundry. With a little effort, that can be moved to the main level. The full basement has good space including a modest kitchen, living room, bedroom, bathroom and bonus space with separate entrance. The lower level has been used as separate living space in the past, but the possibilities for the LL space include in-law suite, guest housing, or office. For more information, review the details below or contact Angela Mayfield at 304-776-7653.